For the first time, you're about to see secret ECU data that car makers don't want you to know. See 2019. Automakers locked ECU fuel injection data. That means real-time proof like this is nearly impossible to capture today. Here is the baseline data before Miracle 3 installation. The ECU shows an average fuel injection of 6.2 milliseconds at 100 kilometers per hour. Now, let's install Miracle 3. It takes just minutes. No complex wiring, simply connecting the module and securing it inside the engine bay. After installation, the ECU tells a different story. Fuel injection has dropped to just 4.4 milliseconds while driving the same road at the same speed. That's a fuel injection reduction of nearly 29%. Real proof verified directly by the ECU, not just empty claims.